Once there was a friend of mine who is married. He gave me one good marriage advice: get a dishwasher. I was like, duh. Fast forward to now, I'm married and trying to find a good dishwasher. This one is a portable AI-enabled smart dishwasher from Leesom. This one is really small, yet comes with an impressive cleaning capability. Although I'm not a real estate owner or a van life adventurer, I can still see this little guy fitting in those situations. In this review, we're going to test this one out. Let's get started. Before that, please keep in mind that this one we received is still the prototype, so there might be some changes in certain parts or accessories. You can keep tuning in again to confirm those later. Links will be provided below. So when the box came, I still think it would be a big machine, just like those you put under the kitchen table. Inside the brown box, there's still a white box to hold the machine. Now the machine is protected at four corners, as you can see, no accessories around it. I assume they are in the machine. This one is a very compact machine. It is only about 20 by 20 by 11 inches, quite small actually. It can be placed just next to the sink. That way it can also be connected to the drainage under the sink. Right on the top, you can see some safety instructions. Then I found that the door is held shut by two magnets and they are very strong. On the frame, you can see a black dot. It is used for pushing the door out while letting the steam out after washing. We'll demonstrate that later. So inside the dishwasher, you can see a bunch of stuff packed in a bubble bag. I confirmed with the brand after this. They told us that the final packaging will be nicer. So what do we have here? A power cable, an inlet hose, outlet hose, water jug, a basket, and a tap adapter. Okay, I have everything to run the machine. Now let's wash some dishes. Oh wait, I don't need these. There are only several steps to get this machine up and running. Connect it to the power and the drainage. Add water for about 2 full jugs. Add detergent. Put all the plates in the machine. Okay, right on a little screen, you can see there are different modes to choose from, including quick wash, daily wash, power wash, smart wash, etc. So for this test run, I'm going to choose the daily wash mode, which is 25 minutes, just to demonstrate how it works. Later, we will get more clips of it doing other kinds of wash. So while it's doing the job, I think it's the best time to tell you about the highlights of this machine. First, let's talk about the materials used in this machine. The outer layer is this bright white plastic, and there are 3 transparent windows for you to check on the work inside. Currently, I'm not sure if there will be more colors to choose from, but at least a white machine can blend into any household very well. Then the materials of the inner layer and the spray nozzles are PPTD20. It is a material that is elastic, it remains stable and non-toxic after a long time use, or under high or low temperature, or in contact with chemicals, the detergent in this situation. In real-time use, the machine will push out the water in 45,000 power pressure and heat the water up to 70 degrees Celsius. You will be glad that the inner layer can withstand that kind of power and heat. Then the rack is coated with non-toxic nylon to avoid any friction with the plates or utensils. So I would say this machine has the good materials used overall. Now it takes 3.6 liters of water to complete one full wash cycle, about 2 jugs of this. It actually saves a lot of water, almost 1/3 of what it takes for a hand wash. I can totally imagine how it saves water and electricity. I mean, I honestly waste tons of water rinsing the plates by hand wash. That is not good. So after the water is in, there's still something to do, which is setting all the plates and utensils properly. Since the machine is meant for a 2-man household, the rack is not big, but still there are some parts that can be folded and unfolded to accommodate different cleaning needs. It suggests about 27 pieces of tableware in total, quite enough for a small home. But you can do less of the organizing actually, since the unique spray nozzles would take care of it. So there are 4 spray arms, 32 jets to push out water from almost 360 degrees. The spray arms at the bottom are the ones you have seen from other products, but there are 2 arms at the back vertically. The spray nozzles are working like those laser alarm systems. No dirt on dishes can escape, not even Tom Cruise. I believe this has never been seen on other products, and these nozzles have definitely covered more angles or some hard to reach corners. Moreover, since it uses brushless motors, it can push out much higher pressure water, that is 45,000 power we're talking about. So the major benefits are that it can wash the dirt off the plates much better, and the water can reach further to clean everything everywhere in the machine. So I would say the cleaning capability can be better than some big machines. Okay, now you can see that there's some steam coming out of the vents, and the temperature right now is 70 degrees Celsius. Time left, 9 minutes. Moving on to some other specs of the machine, it is a 1500 watt power that takes to run this machine, not big at all. And the overall noise level is at 55 dB. In actual use, I honestly think the sound is minimal. It does not bother me at all. After the washer is complete, the UV light will start working to kill any bacteria inside, or if you prefer to keep the plates inside for a longer period of time, it will still work every 72 hours. So if you are a mom who is too tired to clean all the stuff that baby use, this can save your life. The detergent capsule can store a good amount of liquid in there. It can support about 15 to 20 times of use. You can also use your own dishwasher liquid, or if you prefer a tablet, there's a spot on the door here. Lastly, there are multiple filters built into the drainage system, so there's a less chance debris was stuck in. So meanwhile, oh, the machine stopped. Now let's check the result. Oh wow, it's so clean and warm and dry. I gotta tell my wife about this. Hey honey, I got a surprise for you. And if you want to know more about this machine, links down below. I'm Will from China. See you next time.